Jojo Astra Bobby, what's in the stars for you?
Hello, my beauties. I'm Jojo, Fairy of the Stars, Astro Barbie. We are here for you. We love you. Welcome to your weekly horoscope. This week, the sun is in Cancer until next Sunday. It will be in Leo. So this week, happy birthday, my beautiful Cancers. We love you. The moon will travel in the sign of Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, and Sagittarius. There's a peaceful, beautiful, soft new moon in Cancer on Thursday, making us feel very connected to the people we love, to our family, our home, women in general, and also healthcare issues. Ramadan begins on Friday, and Mars, planet of wars, is in a very edgy relationships since last month with Pluto, planet of all the leaders of the world, and Uranus, planet of all the changes. And it will sort of bake and shake all the world affairs and the world leaders. But at the end, trust me, towards the end of the year, it will be all for the better good somehow. We are slowly entering a world of Aquarius that will make the world a better place, more just for everyone on the planet. Because trust me, brotherhood, philanthropy, sharing the wealth is the only way toward peace and happiness for all. And I think there's enough for everybody on this planet, right? And now here's the weekly predictions for you that I love and all the people you love. Let's start with you, Cancer's beauties. Happy birthday to you. You are a winner all week. Stand your ground and fight for what you believe in. But think before you speak. It's better to listen this week. Take care of your health too. You gotta look your best. Hey, you're gonna be out of your shell soon. You gotta really be ready. Time to look your best and shine in the world. Your magical color is absolutely yellow, and your lucky numbers 1 and 10. And Leo dual darlings, well, Mars, planet of energy, in your house of all kind of aspirations, bring you a lot of hope and confidence. Let other people shine, not you. And I'll promise you, you will receive more glory. So be humble and shine at the same time. Mercury, planet of communication, going backwards in your sign, invites you to listen rather than speak. Select your words wisely and go slowly but surely. Wait it out a little bit. The weekend, well, it's time to pamper your beauty and take care of your health. Take walks on the ocean or in the city or in the park. Get in touch with animals. Go to a zoo. Something that will inspire your spirit. Your magical color this week, silver. Your lucky numbers 7 and 21. Virgo, activities with friends and family are favored all week. Love is definitely brand new somehow. A good time for bachelors to meet people. A good time also to confront your demons and move on with your life. It's enough already, okay? Not time to be depressed. It's time to believe in yourself, in the future, and snap out of it. Many great things await for you in the near future. So, what are you waiting for? Your magical color, turquoise. Your lucky numbers 7, 21. Libra beauties, Mars, planet of energy, and Neptune, planet of dreams, bring a need to revise your life. And are you happy with your lifestyle? Do you really want what you want, and are the people around you good for you? Well, do something about it and take charge. And kudos for you, because I feel you're doing just that. That's the way to go. That's the way I like it. Get ready for a love surprise too. Lilac is your magical color. Lucky numbers 5, 56. Scorpios, think twice before you act and speak, and you will win big. Venus, planet of love, also is giving you a lot of spirit of adventures. Love life is very exciting. Enjoy it all the way. If you're a bachelor, you could fall in love madly and even think of marriage. Wow. Anything that is going for divorces now actually will turn out to be pretty good and fair for everybody. Magical color for you, red. Lucky numbers 4 and 8. Sagittarius beauties, well, luck rides with you. Of course, you're the sign of luck, but in a quiet, slow way. Push on your dreams, slowly but surely. People notice you and they respect your need for privacy. Your health is also improving greatly. I'm proud of you. Magical color, blue. Lucky numbers 2 and 34. Capricorn beauties, the stars bring you closer to partners, friends, and family. Time to go out, to meet people, to dance, to eat, to celebrate the new you, and to have fun. Come Come on, you cannot be always serious and practical and grounded. Believe in miracles. Be grounded. Your magical color, silver, lucky number 6 and 36. Aquarius, sweeties, you're very, very psychic, innovative these days. Take advantage. You read also people's mind. That's interesting. Social life is very, very rewarding. Romance and home projects also favored. Your magical color, fuchsia, lucky numbers 3 and 57. Pisces, beauties. Wow, you are definitely at peace with yourself. Hope is in the air. You know things are moving in the right direction. Things are a bit slower, yes, but definitely in the right direction. So just keep your confidence and believe in the impossible. And learn to receive in love. And learn to be loved for you, not because you're giving presents. Find out the real intention of people's love, okay? Just don't give nothing. See what happens. Your magical color this week, mauve, lucky numbers 7 and 22. Aries, you are definitely cruising down the road of peace and happiness, feeling very good with yourself. Planets bring you harmony in domestic affairs and romantic life. Creativity is very high at work, but it's time to really focus and put all those ideas down on the computer or on the paper so you could remember next week. Your magical color this week is blue, and your magical numbers are 6 and 33. You should also play lottery. And Taurus, beauties, who won the race? The rabbit or the turtle? Tick, 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 tick. Well, guess what? You won the race. You know why? Because you're a turtle this week. You make good progress in career. Be clear of what you want. Very important, and the universe wants to deliver. So tell the universe what you want 100%, no doubts. Children also may need special attention. And your magical color this week, green, your lucky numbers 4 and 8. Geminis, go with the flow. This is a time to grow wiser. You are amazingly reinventing your life slowly but surely. You are totally focused right now and you get things done. I'm so proud of you. You're starting to see how necessary all the changes and the blockage that happened in the last year or so. And now it's starting to make sense, right? Life is perfect. Life is always perfect. You just have to keep walking. And now here's the wizard affirmation and thought of the week for all of you that I love. That's my line. Behind the clouds, there's always a beautiful sunshine. So smile. Life is perfect and beautiful. And enjoy the summer to the fullest. Go to the lake, to the ocean. Jump, swing, dance. You gotta dance. Yes, dance your life away. And if you want a little magic and guidance into your life, you have some dilemmas to solve, you need a boost of energy, some tips in love, career, and finances, I'm an expert at these things. My greatest wish is to make you happy, successful, prosperous, and very healthy. You can always reach me at jojosavard.com, my website, or call me at 310-356-0020. It's a magic number. Happiness, prosperity, and abundance, and feeling good awaits for you. I'm here for you always. Angels, say goodbye. See you next week. Be good now. Bye-bye.